Hi, welcome back. I'm Nikki, and this is Off Grid Style, and I'm so glad, as always, to have you here wanting to watch my video. So today's video is about 10 non-powered tools that you need to have for survival. Very cool video because I love power tools and I love tools in general. I have tons of them. I love to get them for birthdays and Christmas and all other occasions. So let's find out what those top 10 non-powered tools are that you should have for survival. In a survival situation where modern conveniences are scarce or non-existent, having the right tools can make all the difference. Here are 10 non-power tools that are essential for survival. If you enjoy this video, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. The Multitool. A multi-tool is a versatile device that combines several functions into one, typically including pliers, a knife, screwdrivers, and more. It is compact and can be a lifesaver for various tasks, from cutting to repairs. A folding saw. A folding saw is a compact and lightweight tool designed for cutting wood. It's invaluable for gathering firewood, building shelters, and crafting tools. Its portability also makes it an excellent addition to your survival kit. Axe and hatchet. Axes and hatchets are indispensable for chopping wood, whether for building fires, creating shelter, or crafting tools. Their versatility makes them essential for processing wood in a survival scenario. A sledgehammer. While bulkier than some other tools, a sledgehammer is crucial for tasks requiring brute force. You can use it for breaking through obstacles, driving stakes, or shaping materials in construction projects. A prybar. A prybar, also known as a crowbar, is essential for leverage in tasks such as prying open doors, removing nails, or dislodging debris. Its flat end and curved end offer versatility in various situations. A hand drill. A hand drill allows you to bore holes in wood or other materials without the need for electricity. By rotating the drill manually, you can create holes for various purposes, from construction to crafting. A hacksaw. A hacksaw is a compact cutting tool with a fine-tooth blade. It is ideal for cutting through metal, plastic, or other materials when you need precision and control. In survival situations, it can be used for making tools, traps, or repairs. A shovel. A shovel is, of course, a multi-purpose tool for digging, moving, and shaping earth. In survival situations, it's used for digging fire pits, latrines, and shelters, making it a fundamental tool for creating and maintaining a campsite. Chisels and gouges. Chisels and gouges are essential for carving and shaping wood or other materials. They are valuable for crafting tools, weapons, and various implements necessary for survival. A tactical knife. A tactical knife is a versatile cutting tool and a self-defense weapon. Its sharp blade can handle a wide range of cutting tasks, from food preparation to cutting cordage. Additionally, it can be a valuable tool for personal protection. As a bonus item, I highly recommend a set of hand stones to sharpen your tools with. Be sure to take care of your tools so they will take care of you. All of your digging, cutting, and chopping tools should be cleaned and sprayed with WD-40 before putting away. If WD-40 isn't available, apply a thin coat of used motor oil, vegetable oil, or beeswax instead, and then use a cloth to wipe off the excess. In a survival scenario, power tools are often unavailable, making non-power tools invaluable for essential tasks. When well maintained and properly used, these tools can significantly enhance your ability to adapt and thrive in challenging circumstances. Well, I hope you liked the video. I hope you found it interesting, entertaining, possibly educational. Please let me know what you think. You know I love to hear from you. I say that ad nauseum. I know some of you are getting sick of hearing me, but I do love hearing from you, and I will answer you back. Hope you like a different background for me. This is actually my desk, and you can see some of my herbs up here behind me. I thought I'd give you a different viewpoint instead of sitting in front of a computer all day long. Please let me know what you think about that too. And I will love for you to like, comment, subscribe, and blah, blah, blah. And I'll see you again soon. Thanks.